Want Temu at your fingertips? I'll show you how to install the Temu app on your phone. Let's go. First, open the Google Play Store on your device. Here, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now, at the top, you can see the search bar. In the search bar, type Temu and look for the official app with the orange icon and white lettering. Once you find it, tap on it to open the details page. Now, tap on Install. Wait for a few seconds while it downloads. Once installed, tap Open to launch the app for the first time. You will land on the welcome screen, where you can either sign up or log into your account. If it does not install, check your internet connection or clear storage space. Tell me in the comments, are you an Android user or an iPhone user? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.